So this is a 2016 Subaru Forester. We got these 9005 light bulbs. I installed one last night, which I will put in the video. We have a fan in the back. These will be used for the high beams on this car. I already have LED low beams in it. This right here is your 9005 bulb. Also, on some cars like the Subaru, it has daytime running lights. You may have to disable them. If you do, I don't know if you can see it. Right down here, see that silver thing with heat sinks on the side? Well, that's your daytime running light module. To disconnect it, you'll see right here, there's this connector. That's to disconnect the daytime running lights if there is an issue with your LED high beams. So to install this, all you need to do is undo that connector and remove the bulb. I'll do that right now. This is your halogen 9005 high beam bulb. Installation is just the reverse of that. You can note the orientation of your prongs to help with the installation. I may have to put the camera down for this since there's not much room with the air intake. There's your connector, and it goes to the factory connector. I'm going to put the phone down so I can make this connection. Okay, now the connection is made. All that's left to do is wire tie this up somewhere to pull it out of the way. Right now you see just the low beams on. I'm going to put the high beams on now. There's the high beams. It's hard to tell. You can definitely tell one side's brighter. So this side's using an LED as a low beam and a halogen as a high beam. This side is using both LEDs. So you can tell that the camera's having trouble picking up on it. The LED side is much brighter. It's going to be much brighter at night. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Have a good day.